Oh, how you guys doing? Just got through working out, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the plank and some push-ups now that there's a little break in the rain. So let's go. Whoa, and it's slippery and dangerous, so just the plank and push-ups. Almost busted my back right there. Okay, so remember, belly button in, don't arch your back, that's bad. Hips up. I will tag it and label it later. 60 seconds. No variations, just breathe and hold. Remember, belly button in tight, sucking your belly button. Breathe and hold. 1 minute only today. Hopefully I'll get the time right, so 20 more seconds. All right. So only 50 push-ups today. Got to give my shoulders a break. So we'll go 25 elevated here and then 25 elevated with my feet. For the vets. So right away, turn around. That's it. I already worked out for like 30 minutes. Chiseled hard abs tomorrow.